Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn Crew Cab truck. The exterior of this 2019 Ram, we have power and heated door mirrors with turn signal indicators, fully automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, and rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5 with heated and power front seats, automatic temperature control, and push-to-start technology. The touchscreen display comes preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 Ram 1500 has less than 47,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.